India is a land of diversity. It's not only culturally diverse but also in terms of people in general. This includes their physical appearances, from fair to dark-skinned people, from short to tall and from slim to stout. Although such people are found in all parts of the world, Indians seem to embrace being stout as an essential part of their life. Since we are living a stress-laden life with unhealthy food habits, this is bound to happen. Apart from that, the majority of the people are not health or diet conscious. This is because most of us like to live in our own comfort zones. Then comes the problem of wearing the outfits. With plus size, there's always the problem of what kind of clothes to wear and what will fit. Either we have to go for awkward fits or outdated styles. Particularly for women who are homemakers have very limited options. The ultimate plus size style guide. For ages, plus size women have been told to wear darker shades with limited options. Now measures are being taken to get out of these stereotypes. Starting with the narrative that all bodies are beautiful, the styling of plus size women have taken a major leap. Here are some fashion and styling tips for women with plus size bodies. For straight body type. A straight body is the one in which a person's frame is the same from top to bottom. The shoulders are as measured as the hips and waist too is almost the same. For straight body parts, you can use a belt to settle your waist and get a curvier frame. Also, color blocking is one effective style. As many of you know, color blocking is the exploration of taking colors that are opposites and pairing them together. It gives a very attractive vibe. Apart from this, V necklines support the waist properly. Flared cut pants help in creating the appearance of curved structure of the body. For hourglass body type. An hourglass body has the same shoulder and hip size. This makes the body quite a balanced one. Waist is the narrowest part of the structure. The style which works for such a structure is wearing a wrap dress or blouses. It helps in enhancing the waist. Wearing a belt along with it adds to the aesthetic it creates. Plus size peplum tops and jacket highlights the waist. Low cut or V-neck tops of dark colors or vertical stripes helps in enhancing the figure. Apple-shaped body type. The typical characteristics of the apple-shaped body are a large bust, narrow hips and a full midsection. This makes the body appear like an apple. Fuller pants or skirts balance the framework of such body types. Also, wrap dresses and blouses always work. Ensure that the tops end usually held below the hip. Wearing a tailored blazer also helps in camouflaging the tummy. Pear-shaped body type. Also known as the triangular frame, its characteristics are such that the shoulders are the narrowest. The waist and hips are bulky. Necklines and accessories facilitate in bringing the attention upwards. Half the battle is won. Dark bootcut pants make your body look slender. An A-line silhouette enhances your waist. Full bust body type. The widest measurements of this body type are shoulder and bust. The top half is larger than the bottom half. Wearing plus-size tops for such body types with surprise, halter and V-neck necklines to minimize the bust. Wearing darker colors gives a flattering look. These style tips have changed the game for plus-size women. The elegant designs have surely made them more confident. It has surely put the body shamers to shame. Time to fill up your wardrobe with these dresses.